time to get these sprouts in the ground. It's past time to get these sprouts in the ground. We started them early. We knew we were kind of early. They got big and stringy, but they did all right. We had a pretty good germination rate. Our red kale didn't do so well. Not sure why, but like I said, we're putting the plants into the ground now. This is our row of broccoli, and you can see how the eggshell worked out for us. Gonna crack that? I think we're gonna crack them so the roots can find their way through the shell. You took out the big one, huh?
It's leggy.
Ah, smart.
Maybe.
That's why I married you. Alright, see how she drops that right in the hole like that? It takes skill to do that.
And it's been a month since we planted the seeds.
Right. February 12th.
11th.
February 11th.
See, there's 2 seeds in some of those.
So we probably could have got away with 1 seed per egg. So we're going to go ahead and get all these in the ground and hopefully be eating our own homegrown veggies very soon.